Milk? Kaden, can you say dog? Can you say cat? Can you say bird? Mower? Can you say mower? Apple? Oh, excuse you. You say cheese? Can you say star? Can you say boat? Can you say car? Can you say airplane? Can you say motorcycle? Can you say swing? Milk? Mower? Say mower. Apple? Cheese? Star? Star. Flower? Can you say wind? Wind. Can you do clouds? How about more? More? What are you doing? Looking at your hands? Can you say milk?
Banana.
Can you say banana? Can you say book? Ball? Apple? A book, yes. Apple? A book. You want to read a book? Can you say cheese? You say cheese? You want milk? Okay. Can you say more? Can you say flower? Can you say mouse? Cat? Can you do wind? Can you say apple? Can you say banana? Do banana. Can you do banana? Can you say all done? Can you say all done?
Choose the ball.
Okay. Can you say all done? Can you say bye-bye? Say all done.
Yeah.
All done.
Say pizza.
Can you say pizza?
Pizza.
Can you say cracker? Cookie? Orange? Apple? Banana?
Shoes.
Shoes? Boots? Socks? Swing? Slide? Slide. Go down the slide. Good. Can you say
Say water.
water? Milk? Juice? Juice. Good job. Juice. What? Milk? Say apple? Say cheese? Sandwich. Cheese sandwich. Okay, good. Can you say flour? Cheese. Good. Cheese. Oh, you're going to eat the cheese sandwich? Do you say flour? Say all done. All done? Bye.
Kaden, say bye to the camera.
Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.